Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from exchange to hardware wallet. It's really simple and easy. So you can transfer your Bitcoin from any exchange account that you have to your Ledger device. If you are transferring your Bitcoin to a larger device, all you have to do is use the Ledger Life desktop or mobile app. As long as you have the latest version of the app, you will be able to manage your Ledger device, update the firmware and set it up as necessary. Inside of the Ledger Live desktop app, all you have to do is head over to the accounts section on the menu on the left side of the screen, and in there you will be able to add accounts to each crypto assets that you would like to transfer. So for example, you must set up an Ethereum wallet if you wish to transfer Ethereum, you must set up a Bitcoin wallet if you wish to transfer Bitcoin, and so on. So after you set up each individual account for the assets that you wish to receive, you will be able to open up its detail page and select receive at the top of the screen. Every time you click receive one of these accounts, you will be given at the wallet address and the QR code that you can use to transfer your crypto assets into these respective accounts. So after you acquire the wallet address, just go over to your exchange wallet provider and you will be able to withdraw your crypto assets. Usually the process is the same. All you have to do is select the crypto assets, click send, and you will be able to input the wallet address that you got from Ledger and to send the Bitcoin over the corresponding network. Since this process is different for every single exchange wallet, I can demonstrate this for every single one, but I will show you general instructions on the screen as you can see over here. As long as your crypto account inside of the Ledger is set up properly, you will be able to transfer your assets. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.